السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. Hello everyone, you're highly welcome to this channel. In this lesson, we will learn all the letters in the Arabic alphabet. We will go through each letter one by one and learn their names and their pronunciation, inshallah. Before we get started, for those interested in participating in this course, I have created a community on WhatsApp where you can ask questions and also practice your reading with me. At the end of this video, I will drop the link to the community in the comment section so you can join through the link. And don't forget that this book, Nurul Bayan, is the recommended book for this course, so you can purchase it in Islamic bookshop or download it online. Now let us get started. We already know that Arabic alphabet comprises 28 letters. So in this lesson, inshallah, we will learn all these letters with the correct pronunciation and their names. So, are you ready? Let us get started. The first letter in the Arabic alphabet is called Alif. 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 Very easy to write and easy to pronounce. Repeat after me. Alif. Alif. Just a straight line like one. So it is called Alif. Alif. Now let us move to the next letter. The next letter is called Ba. 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 Repeat after me. Ba. Ba. The next letter. This letter is called Ta. 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 You know, it has the same shape with this one, but they are different in what in their name and in their pronunciation. This one is pronounced as Ba. Ba. And this one is pronounced as Ta. Ta. Now let us move to the next letter. Next letter is called Sa. 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 You can see that these three letters, they all have the same shape, but they are different in their words, in their pronunciation, and also this one has one dot below it, this one has two dots, and this one has three dots. So they both have the same shape, but different in their pronunciation and in their name. So make sure you master this very well. The first letter, Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Tha. Tha. Make sure you repeat after me so that you can pronounce it exactly the way I'm pronouncing it. Tha. Now let's move to the next letter. The next letter is called Jim. I intentionally wrote this letter together because they all have the same shape but different in their pronunciation and their names. This one is called Jim. 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 It has one dot below it. Jim. This one is called Ha. 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 Alhamdu. Alhamdu. Ha. It is called Ha. Ha. Not hell. Some people pronounce it as hell. This is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is Ha. 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 This one has no dot on it or below it, so it is called Ha. The next one is Kho. Kho. The next letter is called Kho. It has only one dot on top of it. Kho. Kho. You can see that these three letters, they look the same. This one has one dot below it, and this one has no dot, and this one has one dot on top of it. So they look the same. They both have the same shape, but different in their pronunciation and in their name. So make sure you master these letters. So, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kho. Now let us move to the next one. These two letters, they look the same. So they look the same, just like brother and sister, they look the same, but they are different in their pronunciation and their names. This one has one dot, and this one has no dot. The one that has no dot is called Dal. 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 Pronounce it after me. Dal. 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 The next one is called Dal. 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 So you bring the tip of your tongue out and you use your teeth to hold it tightly. Dal. 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 Very easy to pronounce. Dal. This is very well so that you can master it. Zal, dal, zal, dal, zal. Now let's start from the beginning. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal. So I hope you are following me. And let's continue. The next letter is called. You can see also these two letters, they have the same shape too, but they are different in their pronunciation and they are in their written form. This one has no dot on it, but this one has dot. This one is called Ro, 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 and this one is called Zai, Zai. Some people pronounce this incorrectly. They pronounce it as Zain. Zain is not correct. So there's no any letter in Arabic language that is called Zaino. Rather, the correct pronunciation is Zaj, Zaj, just like Z, letter Z. Zaj, Zaj. So if you are pronouncing it as Zain, so it means you are incorrectly pronouncing this letter. So the correct pronunciation is Zaj. Practice very well so that you can master it. Zaj, Zaj, Zaj. Now, Rom, this one has no dot and this one has one dot on top it. So you can see these four letters, they have this, they look the same. They look the same, but they all have the same, they all have different pronunciation and different name. This one, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zai, Zai. So they have the same shape but different pronunciation. So make sure you practice it so you can master these letters. Let us start from the beginning again. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zai, Zai. Not Zai. There's no any letter in Arabic language that is called Zai. No, it is incorrect. The correct pronunciation is Zai, Zai. Now practice it so that you can master it. Now let us move on. The next letter is Sin. The next letter, you see this letter, they look the same, they have the same shape. Although this one has three dots on top it has three dots, and this one has no dots. This one is called Sin, 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 Sin. The next one is called Shin, Shin, Shin. Very easy to pronounce and easy to write. So make sure you practice it so that you can master it. Sin, Shin, Sin, Shin, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin. Let us start from the beginning. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin. I hope you are following me. You are enjoying the class, right? Thank you. The next letter is Sword. These two letters, they also have the same shape. Although this one has one dot on top it, and this one has no dot. So this one has one dot and this one, but they have the same shape. But their name is different and their pronunciation is different. This one is pronounced as sword, 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 sword. Pronounce it after me. Sword, sword, sword. The next one, Dod, 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 Dod. Make sure you practice it so that you can master it. Dod, Dod, Sword, Dod, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin, Sword, Dod. And let's move to the next letter. Next letter is Bo. Now, these two letters also, they look alike. They have the same shape, although this one has one dot on top it and this one has no dot. This one is called oh, 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 just like in the word Fatima. Fatima, it is Fatima, not Fatima. Some people pronounce it as Fatima. No, it is not Fatima. Fatima, Fatima. So it is Ba and not Ta. Fatima. So Ba. But this is very difficult for some people, but if you continue practicing it, you master it, inshallah. So Ba, Ba, Ba. And this one, Za, 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 Ba, Ba, Za, Ba, Za. Now practice it with me. Let us start from the beginning. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Tha, Tha, Jim, Jim, Ha, Ha, Kha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Zal, Zal, Ra, Ra, Zai, Zai. Don't say Zai, no, it's not correct. Not Zai, rather Zai, Zai. Sin, Sin, Shin, Shin, Sword, Sword, Dod, Dod, O, O, Zo. You can see that this letter, Ba and Ta, they have similar sound. They sound similar, but they are different. This one, Ba, and this one is Ta, Ta, Ta. Ba, Ta. Likewise, these three letters, Dal, Sin, and Tha, they have similar, mostly they have similar sound, but what? They are not the same. They are not the same. So many people pronounce them as same thing. No, it is not correct. That this one, if you want to pronounce it, you bring out your sound, the tip of your tongue, you bring it out a little bit. That this one, it is voiceless. Sa, 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 sa. And this one, sing, sing, sing. That's why this one, sword. So these four letters, sa, zal, sin, sword, they what? They have mostly similar sound, but they are not the same. Now let us move to the next letter. The next letter in the Arabic alphabet is called Ain. These two letters, they have the same shape, although this one has one dot on top it. So they have the same shape, but different in their pronunciation. This one has one dot and this one has no dot. So this one is called Ain, 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 Ain. Pronounce it after me. Ain, Ain, Ain. Some people call it or pronounce it as Ain. Ain is not Ain, so it's not correct. The correct pronunciation is Ain, Ain, Ain. The next one is Ghain, 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 Ghain. It is called Ghain and not Gain. Some people pronounce it as Gain, but it's not Gain. Most especially my people in the southwest. So they say they pronounce it as Gain. Gain is not correct. The correct pronunciation is Ghain, Ghain. This one is called Ain, Ain, and this one is called Ghain, Ghain, Ghain. So this one has one dot and this one has no dot. So make sure you practice it so that you can master it. Let us move to the next letter. Fa. This one is called Fa, not Faf. There's no letter in Arabic language that is called Faf. No, not Faf. Fa, 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 not Faf. It is not Faf. The correct pronunciation is Fa, Fa. Now let's move to the next letter. The next letter in the Arabic alphabet is called Qaf. This one has two dots on top it. This one has one dot. This one has two dots. So they look the same, but different in their pronunciation. They look the same, but they are different. This one has just one dot, and this one has two dots. This one is called Fa, and this one is called Qaf. Qaf. Repeat after me. Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. Now let us start from the beginning again. So Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, ثا ثا جيم جيم حا حا خا خا دال دال ذال ذال را را زاي زاي سين سين شين شين صاد صاد ضاد ضاد طا طا ظا ظا عين عين غين غين فا فا قاف. Now the next letter in the Arabic alphabet is Kaf. Kaf. It is called Kaf. Pronounce it after me. Kaf. 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 The next letter Lam. Lam. Pronounce it after me. Lam. Lam. Very little. Write and pronounce. Lam. Lam. Kaf. Lam. Fa. Qaf. Kaf. Lam. Alif. Ba. Ta. ثا جيم حا خا دال ذال را ذاي سين شين صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام. Next letter is called Mim. Mim. Pronounce it after me. Mim. Mim, very easy to pronounce. Mim. Mim. Next letter is called Noon. It has one dot. Noon. 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 You can see it looks similar with this one, Ba. Although the only difference is this one has one dot on top it and this one has one dot under it. So they are different in written form and also in pronunciation. So Noon. Noon. The next letter is called Ha. 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 Very easy to pronounce. Ha. 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 This letter, Alif, Ha, A, and Ha. Many people may pronounce them. So, but if you practice it, you are going to master them. So, I urge you to practice it very well so that you can master them. The next letter. So, Wa. Wa. Pronounce it after me. Wa. Wa. It looks like this one in shape. Wa. Fa. But this one, they are different. This one has one dot and this one has no dot. So, Fa and Wa. Wa. The next letter, Hamza. 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 This letter, Alif and Hamza, they have similar sound. I can even say that they are the same thing, but many scholars differentiate between them. There are 5 letters whereby many people must pronounce, but if you practice it very well, the way I'm pronouncing it, you are going to get them, inshallah. So these are the letters: Alif, Ha, A, and Ha and A. This one, Hamza, it has the same sound with this one. They are similar. They have the same sound, but this one is what you pronounce it from your throat, so it's a throat sound. It's a throat letter. Ha, ha. So and Hamza, Hamza. The next letter, which is the last letter in the Arabic alphabet, is called Ya. This is the last letter in the Arabic alphabet. Ya, Ya, Ya. Pronounce it after me. Ya, Ya. Very easy to write and easy to pronounce. Although it can be written at times without putting the 2 dots. It can be written like this at times. So the two forms are correct. So either you write it like this or like this. So but mostly it is always written with 2 dots under it. So either like this, Ya, or so it is called Ya, Ya, Ya. Pronounce it after me. Ya. So these are the letters, the Arabic alphabet. So there are 28 in number. So if you count them, you see that there are 28. Make sure you practice these letters very well so that you can master it. If you want to read the glorious Quran perfectly correctly and also read Arabic language, you must master all these letters, all these 28 or 29 letters. So I urge you to practice it very well. If you don't understand anyone, you can rewatch this video so that you can master the pronunciation. So before we go, let us read it from the beginning once again. Alif, alif, ba, ba, ta, ta, tha, tha, jim, jim, ha, ha, kha, kha, dal, dal, ذال ذال را را زاي زاي نفس زاين زاي سين سين شين شين صاد صاد ضاد ضاد طا طا. It is طا, not طا, not طا. It is not طا. طا طا. ظا ظا. عين عين. غين غين. Fa. Fa, it is fa, not faf. There's no letter in Arabic that is called faf. No. Fa. Qaf. Qaf. Kaf. Kaf. Lam. Lam. Mim. Mim. Noon. Ha. Wa. Hamza. Ya. So we have come to the end of this class. We stop it for today. So we continue in our next class. So make sure you practice all these letters. Practice them in written form and also in pronunciation so that you can get them and master them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants us beneficial knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.